Welcome to this detailed tutorial on checking your WordPress media usage in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to quickly access your WordPress dashboard and navigate to your media usage statistics. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before proceeding with the login process. At the top right corner of the page, you will notice a login option. Click on this login option to begin the authentication process. When the login page appears, you will be presented with several methods to sign in. For a seamless experience, select the Continue with Google option. This choice allows you to streamline the process by using your preferred Google account. Simply select the account you wish to use for logging in. This step not only simplifies the process but also adds an extra layer of convenience, as it reduces the need for managing multiple passwords. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be taken to the main interface of your WordPress site. Look for the Quick Links section, which is designed to provide you with fast access to various administrative functions. Within this section, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on this will transition you smoothly into the control panel for managing your website settings and content. After clicking Edit Site, direct your attention to navigating to your media library. This area of WordPress is where all of your uploaded images, videos, and other media files reside. The media library is essential not only for managing your digital content, but also for monitoring your media usage. In the media library, you will be able to see details about the storage that you have used so far. The precise URL for this section might refer to a specific account-related domain, but you can simply remember that this is the designated area where media files are stored. Once in the media library, focus on the section at the top of the page. Here you will find key information that outlines your storage limit or media usage. This display shows you how much space you have already allocated and how close you might be to reaching your limit. This insight is extremely useful for managing your website resources, ensuring that you maintain optimal performance and have room for new uploads when necessary. By following these straightforward steps, you now know how to navigate through your WordPress site to check your media usage quickly and efficiently. With a few simple clicks, you have accessed crucial information that helps you monitor the health of your website's media resources, allowing you to plan future content updates with confidence. Enjoy the enhanced clarity and ease of managing your WordPress media usage, and thank you for following along with this tutorial.